I've been thinking for days. Yeah, I've been thinking for years that I'll tell myself I'll stop the things.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today we are going to be doing a day in the life. We have a bunch of stuff planned today, and I wanted to show you the more realistic side of my days. So as you can see, I am no way, shape, or form ready. The kids got up pretty early. It's around 6:15 right now on Saturday. I have my coffee, which is much needed, and the kids are eating a snack before I make them breakfast. We do have a bunch of stuff planned today, so I just wanted to take you along with us. We do have a grocery order to pick up at Whole Foods, and then my farmer's market delivery may be coming. I'm not sure. Hey, Jella's playing with her banana. I apologize, but they're pretty vague when it comes to delivery, and I'm not complaining. You know me, I love the element of surprise, so anytime fresh produce shows up on my doorstep, I am all open arms about it. So we are going to go into town, grab my Whole Foods order. Not really town, it's pretty far away, but that's okay. It's just once a month that I like to shop at Whole Foods and get some goodies for myself. And then I am going to take some product shots for my new job. I get to take some photography, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'm going to show you where we go and take you along with us and show you the beauty of Colorado. So if you are excited, let's get right into this video. Wilder always has these Z-bars by Clift Kids, and he always has his milk, so just got him some milk. Right? Can you say good morning?
Morning.
Morning. And he just drinks regular whole milk. So I'm gonna have some coffee. He's gonna have one of these, and Delilah is still working on her banana. Oh, this one's a bit trickier. Let's see. Whew. And I got my workout in for the day. Holy cow. So our goal for this area of the yard is to get some grass in here. We live in a pretty sandy environment out here in northeast Colorado, so it's really tough to grow grass, but we started last year and then it snowed, of course, in May or June. But these are just sod rolls, and that seems to work. So we are gonna go back today and grab some more just to keep that trend going. And then I think we'll stop it right here and move that trampoline, but we're gonna level that out and put some raised bed planters. We're gonna do one with veggies and then one herb one, and then I really love lavender and I do a lot with it, so hopefully my husband will go for it, but I want to do one lavender one right here. Then that's our honeysuckle, and then we have a rose, and then we have something to put over here. Not really sure. If you have any suggestions for climbing plants, let me know. It'd be really cool to do some grapevines. I don't know if we have the climate to do that, but you never know. So I'm gonna ask at the farmer's market today, or our garden center, I guess you could call it, and see what they say. But yeah, it's looking pretty dry right now, but it's definitely coming together. We just have to find time to level it out and make it look beautiful again. And then over here, sorry if you can hear that machine whirling, my mom and my stepfather, when they were here, they actually cleaned this out for me, and then my husband went over with a rake. But I want to put some larger plants in here, probably flowers. I really love hydrangeas, so I'm going to maybe find some white and purple hydrangeas and maybe some blues, so we'll see about that. And then over here where this basketball is, there's dirt underneath this mulch, and I like to put my squashes and pumpkins and things like that. If you are new here, that might be different for you, but last year that's what I did. So they came out really beautifully. I put them in the corner over here, and then they kind of climbed their way to this side. It was really incredible to see. And then in this little area, I have some of the herbs that I do teas with and tinctures, so those will go there. I thought that was a really good area for them, and I got some really good plants out of this soil over here. And then back here, I really wanted to make a outdoor area for me to do some art, maybe some painting and some printing. So I'll probably put a table back here and see what I can do. But I really like this area. It has some privacy and it has this tree. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick little spring garden tour. And our grocery pickup is actually for noon. So I'm going to try and get the kids together. Delilah's sleeping right now, but I'm going to see if Wilder will go inside. Probably not, but fingers crossed. Hey, do you want to go inside?
No.
Oh.
I want on.
Yeah. I was able to get him inside and have a chance to curl my hair, do my makeup. This is the serum that I use. I really, really love it. My salon suggested it, but I like to bring it through my hair. And my new course of action for my hair is letting it air dry, and then I just curl it from there. So I'm using minimal heat, we shall say, on my hair, and I've seen a difference. I think it just looks a little bit more healthier. Of course, the first day you're going to have these really bouncy curls, but in my opinion, this works the best because they can kind of loosen and flatten out towards the end of the week, and this is just the best way to do it in my opinion. So I just wanted to share that with you. I do get questions on how I do my hair, and that is just basically how I do it. And now we are moving on to breakfast. I'm making some savory corn pancakes, we shall call them. Just using a half a cup of cornbread mix, a little bit of salt, pepper, onion powder, and chili powder. And then I mixed a half a cup of almond milk in there. And you will see that the peppers kind of spilled over and popped, and then all that oil kind of got to the side of the oven. So definitely will be cleaning that today, but I'm just going to pour this in and make it like a giant pancake. I like to serve it with the Kite Hill sour cream and some green onions, and this is so delicious. You know that I'm not a huge sweet person in the morning, so this is a really great alternative, and I will drop the recipe in the description box below. All right, we just got back from Whole Foods and we went to the park, as you saw. I'm gonna unload these groceries and I'll give you a little haul. It's just me and Della inside right now, and Wilder and my husband are out playing in the dirt. So let me just unload these and I will show you what's happening. All right, so we got everything unpacked. It is quite a haul. I kind of splurged because I wanted to, but I'm gonna start over here. I got some hydrangeas and some greens. I just needed something springy. I have some dill, baby carrots, some basil. I have dandelion greens. This is really good, sauteed with olive oil and onions, so don't knock it until you try it. And then over here, I have some green onions. I have baby arugula and a kale Caesar salad for the family. I have mini cucumbers. These are super good, just with some salt and pepper. I have this pasta. I thought maybe Wilder would like it. It's in a cheddar sauce and it has some spinach, so fingers crossed. And then underneath there, I have the Organic Girl protein greens. I really love these. They're super good for smoothies and salads. And then over here, I have 2 tomatoes and some extra firm tofu. I have just some white bread to slice. I have some bananas. I have my favorite Just Mayo. I have 2 non-grocery items. These are just going to be these masks that I love from Pacifica. I have some guacamole. I have some pumpkin puree that I'm going to put in some lasagna tonight, so stay tuned for that recipe. I do have some of these puffs. My daughter really loves these, and now my son does. He really likes to take them from her, so I don't know if he actually likes them, but comment down below if your toddler's like that. I got him some organic vanilla animal cookies and some hearts of romaine. I got my favorite vegan jerky. If you are looking to switch, this is the closest that it comes to regular jerky, in my opinion. My dad used to make jerky for us when we were growing up, and then whenever we got a deer, we would always have venison jerky as well. I come from a family of hunters, if you didn't know that. And then I have a big thing of coffee. This is super good, the Vienna roast. I have some no boil lasagna for the lasagna. I have some of these go-go squeezes. We're trying them for Wilder. I don't know if I'll like them. We shall see. I have my favorite Kite Hill cream cheese and these Justin dark chocolate and peanut butter cups. These are actually made in Boulder, and they don't go on sale a lot, but when they do, I try and stock up. They are super good if you put them in the freezer and just have a little treat at night. I have some hemp seeds, of course. They didn't have the larger bag, so I just have the small one. Probably not the best value, but I was running low. I have some of these plant-based breaded chicken patties. These are really good for sandwiches and whatnot. I have the Uncle Matt's organic orange juice, pulp-free. This is amazing if you've never tried it. Little on the pricier side. It's the cheapest at Whole Foods, believe it or not. So if you want to try it out, here it is. We have some balsamic vinegar, and that's just organic. Hi, Delilah. Yeah, are you helping? Don't mind my mom voice. I'm acting super awkward today and I don't know why. But anyways, I have some brown rice, the frozen kind. I like these for bowls. And then I have the organic jasmine rice. I like that for sushi. And this is the white rice. I do have the coastal blend. This is my favorite veggie blend ever. It's super, super delicious. And it has soybeans in it, so it's good for a plant-based diet. And then I got the sliced rosemary sourdough bread. This is absolutely amazing. Hands down my favorite bread. If you have it at your Whole Foods bakery, try it. It is so good. And then over here I have some wine that I picked up. I got a dry rosé, a Malbec, and a Pinot Noir. I really dislike sweet wines. It gives me a headache, so I'm on the drier side when it comes to things. So this rosé looked kind of good and it reminded me of a summer drink. So I like to mix my rosés with seltzer to kind of make a spritzer, just to cut down on the alcohol a little bit. But these are really, really good. I love all 3 of these, so I was happy to see those in stock. And yeah, that is it. That is all I got from Whole Foods. Let me flip you around here and chat. So yeah, I'm gonna put everything away and then I'm gonna work outside a little bit. We did not get a chance to go to the garden center, but I did show you this morning that I had some plans for the yard, so I'm gonna help out a little bit, take the babes out in the sun, and just have a good family Saturday.
The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
Okay, to be honest, the hydrangeas are looking a little wilted. I'm hoping some water and sunlight will bring them back to life, but I wasn't there when they dropped off the order. I had run into the store quick with my daughter, so that's okay. I'm just hoping the water will bring them back. There are some fresh buds here, so we shall see, but this will make a really beautiful piece on my windowsill here. Hey friends, I just got in from doing some yard work. The kids are with my husband right now. I'm just going to pop a lasagna in. So this is literally the easiest lasagna ever. You could add ground beef to this if you wanted to. We're not going to. I'm just going to serve it with a salad and bread and call it good. So this is the easiest lasagna probably you'll ever make. I'm not sure, but it is completely vegan. You can make it regular if you want, but let's go over some ingredients. We're gonna use the Kite Hill garden veggie. You could use ricotta instead. We're gonna do the Raos marinara, but you could use whatever pasta sauce you want. We're gonna add some pumpkin puree. I really like that with lasagna. It adds a sweetness and it really complements some fresh basil. So I'm gonna tear some of this up and put that in the layers, as well as the no boil lasagna. I have my oven preheated at 400. We're gonna pop it in covered for around 40 minutes and you are good to go. So let me show you how I put these layers together. I really would like to move away from using foil. If anyone has an alternative, that would be amazing. Something that you can pop in the oven. I popped this in for 400 for about 40 minutes, and this is how it came out. I ended up serving it with some of that rosemary sourdough and some of the Country Crock olive oil vegan butter. This was so good. Of course, I topped mine with green onions for some extra flavor. We did not need the salad. This was plenty of food to go around, and we had a lovely little dinner with just the two of us while the kids went to bed. And then we went outside, ended up watching the sunset. I really am enjoying sketching outside. I have the baby monitor with me, of course, and I made a nice drink. So I have some edible flowers in here, ice. I have half rosé, so about 4 ounces, and then another 4 ounces of HopTea, and that is a company out of Boulder. It is hops and tea. It is brewed but not fermented, so there's no alcohol in it. I like to add this to just about anything and or drink it alone. They have caffeine-free versions, which is really awesome, and it is super delicious. If you're ever missing out on like a beer, a craft beer flavor, I would definitely recommend trying HopTea. I've talked about them before, but I will drop their website down below. I'm actually working on a new woodcut. I am an artist if you are new here, and I went to school for printmaking, so I really enjoy doing this in my spare time. Honestly, I don't get a lot of spare time. I am not complaining, but it is really nice that the weather is nice just to sit outside, have a drink, and sketch this out. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for sticking with me today. I hope you have an amazing week ahead. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll see you next time. Bye.
I think that I need